Evening, folks. DC Works here. Tonight I thought we'd do another fun little toolbox tour. I picked up this Cobalt toolbox at Lowe's. You notice the lid was all the way back. Anyway, here's my tour. The top here I got picks. You know, the dental picks, long ones. Kind of assortment. These red ones are aluminum, they're nice. I got some plastic ones. I decided to put them up there. And these, can you guess what these are? Yeah, they're feeler gauges, but they're meant to pull the slides out of older toolboxes without ball bearings. Old Craftsman snap-ons. Just push these in on the slides and they pop the slides right out. We got two of those. Also notice that the drawer is open when the lid is closed. Up here we got some older scissors. Remember the black handle kind? Pretty nice. These are all Swisses, I believe. Nice scissors. A little bulb puller. Well, little teeny bulbs. And an assortment of hemostats. A little one. Actually, this is more like a tweezers. This is a hemostat. Little beak on it, little beak. That's kind of cool. Another one that don't have a beak. And a bent handled one. And of course, every mechanic should have a pair of tweezers. So we got a set of those. Scissors and hemostats. And a bulb puller. Bottom drawer, we have mirrors. This one happens to be a Blue Point. 225, UIM 225. It's another Blue Point, UIM 235. This one is actually a busted one. It's one of them extendable ones that broke. And it still extends to some degree. That's why I throw it. And then we have screw starters. Remember the points? Came in handy for that. Actually, 3 different kinds. And all these are either Blue Point or Snap-on or Mac. Thermometer. Kind of like a meat thermometer, I guess. You can put it in oil when you're heating up oil to put bearings on. Glass cutters. And a seam ripper. So that is my Cobalt toolbox tour. Funny thing, you know, I think we all remember my US General toolbox tour. I think this US General cost $15. The lid stops there. It's got little miniature slides. Aren't they the cutest things? And yes, they will pull out. And it came with mats. That's the US General. And here's the Cobalt. It cost $22. No slides. Matter of fact, you'd have a tough time getting them out because they got little tangs in there. No mats. I did put some poster board in the bottom, but no mats, and the lid goes back. So for the win, I would have to give this head-on comparison to the U.S. General. So anyhow, thanks for watching.